It's Davy Cash. And my brother Ryan. Me and this bitch. Smoked out. All I ever wanted was the money and the power. Feel it by the second, every minute, every hour. I wake up in the morning and I take myself a shower. Then I strap my shoes on and turn my music up louder. You feel the bass, I feel it in my veins. I'm rapping about my past, lessons that you gon' gain. My life moving too fast, and it might seem a little strange, but I know that I'm good right now. Ain't nothing wrong with my game. Yeah, and ain't nothing wrong with my game. I done chose a different path, a different life, similar age. I don't think you understand the problems that I'm facing now. Life backed me up to the wall, and I don't feel like backing down. And everybody left me here, but always end up back around. Feeling like my second chance is finna take another round. Shots go back to back, and I can't tell if I can hold it down, but I just do it for my city. Honestly, I love my town. Yeah, I'm living life so spiritual. How could I explain the feeling without getting lyrical? I'm wishing on a star, man, or maybe just a miracle. I'm praying that I make it out the dirty and the pitiful. Whew. And I know that I'll make it out. Reminiscing about the times where I could never make it out. Daydreaming about a house with my cash at a large amount, but it's gonna take me a little time. So glad I took that into account. Yeah, but nothing in this life for free. Everything you working for, but still gonna have to pay the fee. You might be the best right now, but still ain't got no shit on me. I'm overly dedicated to being number one, you see. Yeah, and I'm popping on that new shit. Come say hi to the new kid to go crazy and go stupid. Yeah, and I know that you gon' feel this. The only song related to the realness. I got them in a frenzy. Got you acting friendly. And you ain't gotta tell me nothing to know what you gon' tell me. She afraid to fall in love. Like, girl, I'm finna catch you. Let go of your fear, baby. It's only there to test you. So test you. I sex you and I beat it up. Pussy wet, she can't get enough. So I laid it down and I did it rough. Like that, and she wanted Dude, can I see this real quick? Let me see this shit.
I'm recording this.